5-ton Bryant air conditioner at a homestead home in Florida. It's running in cooling mode. It's got a cope scroll compressor. Trying to get this out of here. Open this Bryant out. So many stuff everywhere in the fan grill. This is a straight cool unit. 21st week of 2015. It's a 5-ton. It's got R410A. And that is cold and sweaty. This is alpha temperature. This unit's whole dirty as heck. This is obviously really quiet. This is a big unit. Oh crap, spiderweb around here. I feel like a... Damn. That is an A.O. Smith water heater that's installed outside. So, okay, it's from... What year is this from? 2011. So 2015 Bryant. This replaced the Janitrol. There's a lizard right there hitting inside the unit. It's got a Gentech fan motor. There's a damage spot on the fan grill. Yeah, that couple scroll. Yeah. So yeah, this is a 2015 5-ton Bryant air conditioner. Last unit I can find around here. This is a 1999 Janitrol on the other side. So, it's a packaged unit. So yeah. I guess thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.